Hey, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Service. We just got done doing a window clean here. We did a bonus clean on the outdoor skylights up there, and just kind of thought I'd walk you through here quick on how everything went. When we got here, these frames were pretty moldy and lots of green algae, so I put an algicide treatment on those and then rinsed it off real well. Everything went well inside. A few of her windows were pretty challenging to get the screens out because of the blinds, but I was able to get almost all of them except for one, and I think that was in the far corner of your kid's bedroom. I wasn't able to get the screen off. I think the whole blind system would have to be removed in order to take care of that. I did a quick demo to show you what we can do to brighten up your retaining walls here. You see how this nasty blackness here? And these last two are where I put my cleaner. I didn't even power wash it. I just applied the cleaner. So if you get tired of looking at all this moldiness, I'd recommend getting that clean. It might help improve air quality around the house. I did put a treatment on your sidewalk right here on these two squares here, and then the cleaner's saturating and doing its job. And but obviously, if you were to have us do, the whole thing, we could apply our algicide and power wash it, make it look nice and pretty. A couple of reminders about, window cleaning on a regular basis. Windows, typically turn out, amazingly if you're cleaning twice a year at least. But sometimes if you're not cleaning windows very often, you could get hard water deposits starting to develop. Sometimes you'll see them in the top corners of your windows, and they're kind of hard to get off unless you use like a bronze wool buffing pad. But I think you're going to be really happy with the windows here. Thanks so much for having me out here, and look forward to helping you out with anything in the future. One thing I thought about before I end this video is there are some mold and algae starting to develop on the window frames and kind of around the house here and there. So when we have a gentle detergent wash process that allows us to wash your entire home safely from the ground with no high pressure, and it cleans up all those window frames, any mold you may see developing on them. That's all taken care of. So Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Any questions you have, don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Take care. Thank you.